In this video, we will be discussing the HP OmniBook 7, also known as the next-gen NV17 AI laptop, a machine designed for business, creative professionals, and advanced users. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this laptop in the description below for the best price. The OmniBook 7 is a significant upgrade over the traditional NV17, combining a 17.3-inch FHD touchscreen with IPS technology and 400 nits of brightness for vivid visuals and smooth motion. Whether you're editing videos, designing graphics, or handling complex simulations, the large screen and responsive touch capabilities make interacting with the device intuitive and efficient. It also supports up to 3 external monitors via HDMI 2.1 and Thunderbolt 4 ports, which is a huge advantage for multitaskers or those running elaborate setups. Under the hood, this laptop packs the Intel Core Ultra 7258V processor paired with 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe SSD. The processor's dedicated 47 TOPS NPU delivers twice the AI task speed and improved energy efficiency compared to the previous series, making it ideal for AI-driven workflows or heavy multitasking. The combination of ultra-fast RAM and large SSD ensures that even demanding software runs smoothly without lag. For graphics, the Intel Arc 140V GPU with up to 16GB of system memory provides exceptional performance for content creation, AI graphics processing, and casual gaming. While it's not a high-end gaming laptop, its GPU handles creative workloads seamlessly, especially for professionals working in Adobe Suite, Blender, or similar software. Connectivity and security are also well addressed. With Thunderbolt 4, USB-C, USB-A, HDMI 2.1, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3, you have flexibility for peripherals and fast wireless performance. The 5MP IR webcam ensures crisp video calls, secure facial recognition login, and the backlit keyboard allows typing in dim environments without any hassle. Running on Windows 11 Pro with AI-powered Copilot, this laptop is tuned for productivity, remote work, and professional applications. The battery offers up to 12 hours of use with rapid charge, though heavy AI workloads can reduce this considerably, which is normal for laptops of this class. In short, the OmniBook 7 combines large-screen productivity, high-speed performance, advanced AI features, and versatile connectivity, making it a solid choice for professionals who demand power, mobility, and reliability in one package. While it comes at a premium, the combination of AI optimization, large memory, and high-speed storage justifies the investment for serious users.